Hi guys. So in this video, we're just going to see display select date dialog. So this action will be used to select a date by our users. So let me type it as title 3. So in this dialog box, let me provide your date of birth. So I'm just asking to provide a date of birth for the users. So in this, whether we need to choose a single date or the range of dates. So for date of birth, we just need to use single date and prompt only date or date and time. So depends upon, I'll show you date only as of now. Next, I will show you date and time. So if we need to provide any default value, let it be. Then I'm just providing a pop-up on the top, and the provided date will be saved in this selected date variable. So let me run and show you now. So I'm just running the exact action. So it is asking me as title 3 and kindly provide your DOB, date of birth. So if we are providing a date of birth based on our current date of birth, I'm just providing a random date of birth. If I click on OK, so in selected date, it's automatically taking the exact date, and time it has taken it as 0 since we haven't provided any kind of a time. So this this variable automatically will be stored in a data type called date type. So since this is an date time data type, so even if we provide time or if we doesn't provide time, it will take the random as 12 a.m. Okay, so in the next I'll be providing with date and time. So I'm just running the same action again. So now it is asking us to provide date and time. So I'm just providing a random date and time. I'm just providing some random time, hours, minutes, and seconds. I click on OK. It is taking the exact time which we have provided with the exact date. Based on this, we can make use of this. And now it's an range between two dates. So if we need to provide whether we need to skip based on the scenarios, whether we need to skip Saturdays and Sunday, so we need to provide both the dates. So in that scenario, it will ask us to provide date 1 and date 2. So we need to provide date 1 as 18 and date 2 as 20 today, and if we need time, then we can provide time. So and it will take it as selected second selected date as second date, selected date as date. So if we need to rename the variables based on our understanding, we can rename it as first and second selected date as per double clicking over this. And one more method to rename this variable name as in this flow variable panel, you can come here and you can rename here based on our understanding. So as a best practice, we need to rename all the variables based on our understanding. Since after creating a flow, not only the developers will be viewing this code, other teammates and managers might be also able to view our code. So in that case, if any unknown person are referring your code, they also need to understand what is the variable and or for which purpose you are declaring that variable. So for best practice, we need to rename as per our understanding. Got it? Okay. So in next video, I'm just going to teach you about list dialog. Okay, let's connect in the next video. Thanks for watching.